In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print information that is in a PDF format from the web inside of Microsoft OneNote. So I'm going to navigate to the page for this particular training guide. And what I'm going to do is, even though I have opened this up in the web page, I'm going to right-click it and I'm going to select Print. And basically, on your device, you have the option to look for OneNote. So I'm going to change this information. I'm going to scroll down to Send to OneNote 2010, and at this point, I'm going to click on Print. The beauty of this is it's going to open up Microsoft OneNote and notify me that it printed the information into that location. So in this case, I can see that the light is flashing, so I click it, and it's asking me where do I want it to put the data. I'm going to look for the notebook that I want to place it in, and I want it to go in the recipes notebook, and more specifically in the miscellaneous section, so I click on OK. What's going to happen is it's going to print the data to that source. And if I just wait for a moment, I'm going to see that the information will show up inside of the OneNote notebook, and that's very nice because now all I have to do is just say OneNote 2007 training, and as I move down I can see the multiple pages that it inserted. And one thing I want to point out is that Microsoft OneNote does not have a page limit. It is continuous, so multiple pages can be on one Microsoft OneNote page.